Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Carol Werner. I'm the Executive Director of the Environmental and Energy Study Institute. We are very glad that you are all here this afternoon, and we are looking at a topic that we have become increasingly excited about at EESI. And the topic is, as you know, how on-bill financing can really help us open the doors to improved energy efficiency at the residential level. At EESI, we have been working and watching a whole pilot program develop with South Carolina Rural Electric Co-ops over the course of the last couple years. And we're going to hear firsthand today about the results of that pilot, what the implications of that are for co-ops, for their members, and the implications of that for how much energy we use, or better, that we don't use in this country, and how it can really create win-win-win situations.